I've got a drawing open in a demonstration project. You can see it over here in the project manager on the left. It's demo project and the drawing name is Autodesk 360.dwg. We're going to have a little look now at Autodesk 360 and how it works and how it's integrated into AutoCAD Electrical. So what we need to do here is we need to look at how AutoCAD Electrical is set up to run with 360 rather than the other way around. Now for this to work, you will need an Autodesk 360 account. If you go to 360.autodesk.com on the internet and set yourself up an Autodesk ID on that page, you can then log into 360 and utilize the space that you're given free of charge on your Autodesk 360 account. Now, I'm already running with Autodesk 360 logged in AutoCAD Electrical. How do I know that? Well, if I go to the top of the screen up here, you can see a little blue head and shoulders. That's my Autodesk 360 sign-in. If I click on the little flyout menu, you can see there that I can sync my settings with the cloud. There's my online options, Autodesk 360, I can sign out, and there's my account details. Now, I don't want to change any of that because I'm signed in. What I do is I go to the Autodesk 360 tab on the ribbon there, and there's all my settings there. There's my design feed. I can collaborate if I want to. That will open up AutoCAD WS, and I can start collaborating in a social style. If we look at Share Document here, you can designate who shares the document on your 360 account by way of putting in an email address, and they then get emailed permissions to your 360 account. The nice thing is I can go straight over here to the left to open folder, and if I click on that now, what it will do is it will open up my 360 folder. Now my 360 folder is actually part of my folder list in Windows now. That's part of the new setup for Autodesk 360. So there's Autodesk 360 there, there's my folder. You can see other folders that I use, things like Dropbox and Microsoft SkyDrive there. But if I just click on Autodesk 360, Windows knows that that's a folder, and there's all my drawings sitting in my cloud-based Autodesk 360 account. Now you'll notice that I've got various drawings that I've worked with in the past. There's things like set and staging for an events company that I've worked with, and so on and so forth. So you can see here that I can set up anything I want at any time, and I can actually save the drawings to the folder if I want to. Now I'm not going to do it in this particular case, but that's how you would do it. Now to save that is even easier. I'll just close that now. In fact, I'll minimize it. Best thing to do there, minimize it. You've then got it on your taskbar in Windows if you need to go back. But if I now go to save the drawing, what I can do is I can do a save as here on my quick access toolbar there. And you'll notice there's an Autodesk 360 folder there. It's already there, sitting in your list of locations. So you don't even need to go and find it now. It's already in AutoCAD Electrical. And I can save my drawing there, Autodesk 360 DWG. There's my list of drawings in the cloud. I click on save, and that has now saved that file to the cloud. Now, if I want to save that locally, you'll notice I just go up to save on the quick access toolbar, and that will save it. So I can save it locally on my computer or on my server, or I can save it to the cloud by just going to that Autodesk 360 option. For you to save to the cloud, though, as I stated earlier, you need to be logged in here in AutoCAD Electrical. So you just go there, log in, using the Autodesk ID that you've set up at 360.autodesk.com, and you can then start saving. You can create subfolders, project folders, especially for AutoCAD Electrical. Project folders are very useful. And you can put any information into the cloud to utilize 360 to be a mobile AutoCAD Electrical user.